you've been on this 2-day course with Gokhan Anterior Direct Diastema. How have you found it?
I found it absolutely brilliant. I've learned an awful lot in 2 days, and I'm kind of old now, so I didn't think I would pick up quite so many tips as I have. And I would recommend it thoroughly to anyone.
That's really, really good to know. What about the facility here in Perth, our new training facility? How have you
This
found
is absolutely state of the art. It's state of the art. Just the presentation from next door. We've got scanners, we've got IT, we've got video, we've got microscopes, we've got on our benches. While I was preparing, Gokhan was preparing at the same time, and I could actually watch in real time him on the screen, and I could just follow with my hands what he was doing, and it was really, really different.
And just easy enough to get to as well. I know you're based up in Arbroath, but you found it easy to get to parking wise or that?
Yeah, car park's fine. It was a 45-minute drive in from Forfar, so nice and straightforward. There wasn't any traffic jams, so it was fine. The only other thing I'd add about the course, Gokhan's presentation with video and his own animation is something to behold. It is absolutely stunning, and I've been on a lot of courses in the number of years I've been doing dentistry, so I think he has to be congratulated, and I really recommend him to come to this course.
That's fantastic. Brilliant. Thanks very much for that.